Alright, this is the pretty much completed bird on a microphone. Um, Singing like a opera singer. Microphone is like one of those old style ones. So I hope the customer who this is for likes it.